Dear students, today we will discuss about the fertilization in angiospermic plant. We know that the fertilization means the basic thing is the fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. That is called fertilization. But in plant fertilization, there are some events are going on inside the ovary, style and stigma with pollen grain. So the first fertilization is discovered by or first explained by scientist Strasburger. First discovered or first explained the fertilization process. So in plant fertilization, some modification, some process are going on after pollination. Pollination is must. First pollination is done. The pollen grain comes from anther to the stigmatic surface, on the stigmatic surface. Then fertilization process going on. So here the stigmatic surface, pollen grain comes on to the or lands on the stigmatic surface. Which is called exine, and intine, the gap place is germ pore. This is stigmatic surface. This is style, this is stigma. This is style. A परवर्ती डायग्राम हमें लेटर अंडर describe the initial steps are all the process after pollination, all the process are going on and the event fertilization is completed. So the initial step, the first step, what is the first step? We can discuss all the steps of the process of fertilization. The first steps, pollen pistil interaction. Pollen pistil interaction is nothing but recognition. It is nothing but recognition. But चिन्हिवा. It is meant for the cross pollination pollen grain. In cell pollination, same genome or genetic compatibility is done. But in cross pollination, either the pollen grain is same type, same genotype type, or same species pollen grain or not. So the compatible pollen grain means the pollen grain of a same species plant, genetic compatibility is there, genetic interaction is perfect, then that pollen grain is compatible pollen grain and that leads to germination. So pollen pistil interaction stigmatic surface pollen pistil काई pollen pistil interaction stigmatic surface interaction करूची. In pistil, the female gamete is in the inside the embryo sac. So, but pollen grain comes first to the surface of the stigma. Stigma has some chemical compounds are there, or organic solutions are there on the surface of the stigmatic surface, and the pollen grain has some organic compounds. Then the chemotrophic nature or the interaction between the pollen grain and stigma, that is called pollen pistil interaction, and it is nothing but recognition. The perfect pollen grain recognize the stigma. परफेक्ट पोलन ग्रेन सेम स्पेसीज पोलन ग्रेन को चिन्हिबा प्रोसेस होची पोलन पिस्टल इंटरेक्शन फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजेशन then next step is secretion of stigma, secretion from stigma. The stigmatic surface contains some sugar solution, sugar plus water, main compounds, and some organic compounds, malic acids or other, but more important compounds, major compounds is sugar and water secreted by the surface of stigma, and that secretion leads to germinate the pollen grain, the compatible pollen grain or perfect pollen grain or fit pollen grain. Next step is pollen germination. When the compatible pollen grain recognized by the stigma, then the stigmatic solutions, the stigmatic organic compounds are entered through the germ pore into the stigma. Out of the मन रखता आपले after pollination pollen grain is two celled structure. One is tube cell, larger cell. Another is generative cells. Small cell. So after pollination, most of the angiospermic plant, two cell structure pollen grain pollinated and comes to the stigmatic surface. The germ pore is the gap where the exine is not there. That part of the pollen grain is called germ pore. The sugary solution then absorbed by the pollen grain and entered into the pollen grain. Then pollen tube formation starts. जेतेबेले ए सुगर वाटर एंट्री करिबो जर्म कोड देकी इन टाइम देकी जीव एंट्री करिबो ऑब्जर्व करिबो पोलन ग्रेन ऑब्जर्व करिबो देन पोलन ट्यूब फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट्स. बेले बेले केते प्लांट रे गोटिए पोलन ट्यूब तयारी हुए आउ केते गोटिए प्लांट रे दुरु अधिक पोलन ट्यूब मते फॉर्मेशन हे जाय. सो पोलन ट्यूब फॉर्मेशन को नहीं कि याको हम दी भाग विभक्त करिवा मोनोसिफोनस and polysiphonous. Monosiphonous means one pollen tube formed. Polysiphonous means more than one. Monosiphonous, polysiphonous, but more common is monosiphonous. जदि अनेक पोलन ट्यूब फॉर्मेशन हुए किंतु केवल गोटे पोलन ट्यूब ही स्टिग्मेटिक सरफेस भितर को बा स्टाइल भितर को एंट्री करता है. ऑल रेस्ट आर degenerated. So having the number of the pollen tube formation, when one pollen tube forms from the germ pore, that is monosiphonous. When more than two germ forms, then that is called polysymphonous. Next step, pollen tube formation. Next step is pollen tube formation or growth of pollen tube. Growth of pollen tube. Then pollen tube formation or growth of pollen tube. See this picture, stigmatic surface, pollen tube, pollen grain and pollen tube formation takes place. Inside the pollen grain, large tube cell and spindle shaped small generative cell. Then the pollen tube entered into the style. In some plants, the style is hollow, in some plants, style is solid. In solid stigma or style, the epidermis cells, in between in its center, parenchymatous cells are, that is called vascular tissue. Here, the pollen tube formation takes place and in mechanically push inside the vascular tissue, and due to possibility of squeezing by the compact tissue, small callus plug is formed. Callus plug is formed here. So when all the contents of the pollen grain when enter into the pollen tube, that prevented to move backward. Here, when pollen tube emerges into the stigma style, all the content, that means generative nucleus or generative cell, tube cell and cytoplasma, all the contents pass into the pollen tube. Here also, but due to presence of callus plug, the backward movement is not possible. So then when comes into the pollen tube, the generative nucleus undergoes one mitotic division. Generative nucleus or generative cell undergoes mitotic division and forms two male gametes. So later on, inside the pollen tube, what are they? Two male gametes formed by the mitotic division of a generative cell, one tube nucleus and cytoplasma, all the cytoplasmic content. The vegetative cells is nutritive in nature. All the nutrition provided by the vegetative cell. Then when the pollen tube enters, then what happens? In next video we will discuss. In this video, 4 point, pollen pistil interaction, secretion from stigma, pollen grain germination and pollen tube formation. केमिति pollen tube formation होची, केमिति sugary solution enter होची pollen tube को, two cell structure pollen grain observe करछि nutrients, तापरे इंटाइन टा एक्सटेंड्स होची इंटाइन लेयर टा एक्सटेंड है कि पोलन ट्यूब फॉर्मेशन करूची एंड दैट एंटर इनटू द स्टिग्मा or style entered into the style and inside the style inside the pollen tube then generative nucleus mitotic division hochi dita male gamete formation karuchi and tube nucleus rahuchi so all the contents of the pollen grains comes into the pollen tube and having the two male gametes and one tube cells. Then next step we will discuss the path of the pollen tube in next video.